We are discussing about arithmetic progression. First question: a contractor and constructive job specifies a penalty for delay of completion of behind a certain date as follows: 200 for first day, 250 for second day, 300 for third day. Penalty for each succeeding day is 50 more than the preceding day. How much money you will pay in total 30 days? First, what is given, that is write down. Given that penalty for each day. First is 200 given, next 250, 300 and so on. Here 30 days given. It is in April. So here A is equal to 200 main first term, B is equal to common difference, A2 minus A1, 250 minus 200 is equal to 50 and number of days is equal to 30. Here total amount how much will pay in 30 days asking. So Sn formula you can use. Sn is equal to n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 of d. So S30 is equal to 30 by 2 of 2a. A is equal to 100 plus n min 30 minus 1 of common difference is equal to 50. Simplify this. S30 is equal to 15 of 400 plus 29 into 50. 15 of 400 plus 29, 15 are 5 9s are 45, 5 2s are 10 plus 4 40. Now 15 of we will get 1850. Now this is the simplified. We will get the finally S30 is equal to 15 0 0, 15 5 is 75, 15 8 are 120 plus 7 127, 15 1 are 15, 15 plus 2 are 27. So you will get. So what is the here total? Total conclusion step, total amount paid by contractor is equal to 27,750 rupees. Next question. Second question. A sum of rupees 700 is to be used to given 7 cash prizes to the students. So each prize is 20 less than the preceding prize. Then find the value of each prize. Here each prize cost don't know, children. First here what is given data, that is write down. Given that total cost is equal total value of 7 prizes. Total value of 7 prizes. Prizes total is represented Sn. So 7 prizes there. S7 is equal to here 700 given. And the number of prizes how many? 7. Prizes mean n. N is equal to 7. And here each prize is decreasing how much? 20 rupees. So each prize decreasing is equal, that is represented by common difference. D is equal to minus 20. Decreased mean you can write down negative. Here also you can total. Here asking number each cost of each price is equal to how much asking. Here total cost given. So you can use Sn formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 of d. Now you can substitute values. 700 is equal. So n by 2, n value don't know. N by 2 of 2a, 2 of Here starting price value also don't know, so you can write down A. But number of prices is equal to how much given children? How many? 7 here. 7 prices given. 7 by 2 of 2A plus 7 minus 1 of each price decreasing how much? 20 rupees decreasing. Simplify, we'll get the result. Now 7 by 2 transpose that side. 700 into 7 by 2 becomes 2 by 7. 2A plus 6 of minus 20. Now 7 1 ja 700 ja, we get 200 is equal to 2A minus 120. So 2A is equal to minus 120 transpose that side, we get the plus 120, 200 plus 120. 2A is equal 320. So A is equal 320 by 2, that is equal 160 rupees. So cost of 7 prices. Prices is equal to 160. 20 rupees decreasing में you can subtract 20 rupees from 160. 140. 7 times you can take 120, 100, 80, 60. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 40. Cost. Next up. In a school, students taught a planting trees. So first class is planting a tree. How many trees planting? 1 tree. Second class is the 2 tree. Third class is the 3 trees, and so on. 12 classes. Total number of classes, how many there? 12 classes there. And each class, how many sections there? 3 sections there. So your question asking total trees is equal to how many? Number of trees is equal to how many planted by a students asking. First you can write down number of students, number of sections, third solution, number of sessions for each class. How many sections are there each class? 3 sections there. So total number of sections is equal, first class how many? 3 sections there. Second class 3 sections, third class 3 sections, and so on. 12th class 3 sections there. Simplify this, 3, 6, 9, and so on, 36. Now this is the, it is in AP series. So here what is given? That here A is equal to 3, common difference D is equal to 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. Last term is represented by AN. Last term AN is equal to 36. But is equal to N is equal to how many classes there? Number of classes 12 there. So 12. You can apply here also SN form. SN is equal to N by 2 of, here I am using A plus AM form. Why? Because AM there. AM there means you can use this formula. Now S12, 12 classes there. 12 by 2 of A plus. A is equal to how much here? 3 plus AN. AN is equal to 36. 6 of 3 plus 36, 39. 6 of 39 multiply, you will get the 34. Therefore, number of plants planted by students is equal to 234. Next, fourth question. A spiral is made up of a succession of semicircles. The each spiral radius is equal to 0.5 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeters, and 2 centimeters, and so on. So here how many total spirals is equal to how many there here? Number of spirals is equal to 13 given. So in diagram, here I am drawing diagram, you can see. This is the one spiral, second spiral, third spiral, and so on. Like that, 13 here. 13 spirals. So each one radius is equal to 0.5 and 1 and so on. 1.5 and so on given. So here total, what is the length of the total spiral asking? Let the length of each spiral is equal spiral L1, L2, L3 and so on. How many there? L13 and radius 0.5, 0.5 centimeters, means 1 centimeter, 1.5 centimeter and so on respectively. Now what is the spiral is represented? Semi-perimeter. So length of L1 is equal to semi-perimeter formula is equal to 5R. That is equal to 5. You can write down same R plus 0.5. That is equal to 0.55. Similarly L2 also 5R. 5R1 is equal to 5 centimeters. Centimeters will come here also centimeters. And L3 5R 1.5 centimeter. That is equal to 1.5 centimeters and so on. Can write down this series. Now 0.55, 1.5 means 5 only, 5. Next one is the 1.55 and so on. How many times are there here? Total 13 times there. 13 times. Or in 8. So here A is equal to 0.55. Common difference 0 is equal to 5 minus 0.55. We will get the 0.55. Next to n is equal to how much given? N is equal to 30. So here an not there. So you can use this n is equal to n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 of b. If an there means you can use a plus an formula you can use. Now Sn is equal to mean S13 is equal to 13 by 2 of 2a. A value 0.55 plus n minus 1. 13 minus 1 of d. D is equal to 0.55. Now simplify this. 13 by 2 of 2 into 0.5. 2 5 is 10. So you will get the 1.5 mean 5. Here also 6 into 0.5. 12 into 0.5 mean half of 12 is equal to 6 pi. Equal 13 by 2 into 7 pi. Now 5 value can substitute. 13 by 2 into 7 into 5 value 22 by 7. Simplify. Finally you will get 143 centimeters. So required length is equal to. Therefore required length is equal to 143 centimeters. Next sum. Fifth solution. $200 logs stocked a following manner. 20 lakhs in the bottom, next 19 lakhs in the next row, 18 lakhs in the next row, and so on. Total number of lakhs is equal to how many given? 200 given. So number of lakhs is equal to, the question here, number of rows is equal to how many asking. You can find out the number of rows. First what is given, that is write down. Total number of lakhs, it is represented Sn. Sn is equal to 200. Next one is the number of logs in each row. Each row is equal to 20, 19, 18 and so on. Number of rows don't know. Okay. And here what is the, here this is in AP. It is in AP. Here A is equal to 20, D is equal to common difference 19 minus 20, you will get the negative number minus 1. And Sn also there. You can substitute values. Now Sn formula, Sn is equal to n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 of d. This is the quadratic equation will come. You can do splitting and multiplying. Now we can substitute values. 200 is equal to n by 2, n value don't know, n by 2 of 2a, 2 of 20 plus n minus 1 of d, n value don't know, n minus 1 of d minus 1. Simplify this. 200 transpose that side, 400 is equal to n of 40 minus n plus 1. 400 is equal to n of 41 minus n. 400 is equal to 41n minus n square. This total transpose left side and descending order, degree wise descending order right down. We get n square minus 41n plus 400 is equal to 0. Here 400 factors you don't take, you can take LCM. Do LCM. 250 is a, 225 is a, 5 is a, 500. So you can multiply randomly and middle term satisfied or not, you can see 5 is a 25, 2 2 is a 4, 4 4 is a 16, 16 into 25, 16 plus 25 you can do addition, result is the 40. So 16 25 is a, so factor n square minus 25n minus 16n. Sign also you can see minus into minus plus here, 400 is equal to 0. Now you can take common n minus 25, 16 is the common, what is the here, n minus 25 is equal to 0. Again common, n minus 25 of n minus 16 is equal to 0. N values what we get, 25 or 16. Both answers there, two answers there. So you can find out the AN. Problem not over, still there. Now you can find out AN. What is the formula of AN? A plus n minus 1 of d. So AN is equal to A plus. Okay. What is the value of A? A is the 20 lakhs plus n minus 1. N minus 1 if n is equal to A. If n is equal to 25, then n value 25 you can substitute 25 minus 1 of minus 1. Now simplify this. 20 plus 25 minus 1, 24 of minus 1. Now simplify, 20 minus 24 is equal to minus 4. So it is logs, negative is the not column. It is not column. So you can check similarly 16 also. If n is equal to 16, an is equal to a plus means 20 plus n minus 1 means 16 minus 1 of minus 1. Now 20 plus 20 minus 50, that is equal to 5. So number of rows is equal to how many you get? 5. 15 means 16 you get. Number of rows is equal to 16 total. 16 is the part. 5 also. Now last problem. In a potatoes race, a bucket is planted at a starting point which is the 5 meters from the first potato. Next, other place is the 3 meters apart from the next potato. There are 10 potatoes there. They are asking what is the total distance asking. Total distance, first what is given, that is right now. The distances of potatoes are, what will get, 5, 8, 11 and 14, so on we will get. Here this is, it is in AP series. So here A is equal 5, D is equal to 8 minus 5 is equal to 3, and number of rows is equal to, given for how many rows is given, total number of rows is equal to 10 given. So N is equal, number of rows is equal to 10. Now you can use SN formula. SN is equal to n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 of 2t. Okay. Now you can substitute values. S total S10 is equal to, now 2 n by 2 of 2a plus 2 of a value is equal to 5 plus n minus 1 of d, common difference is equal to 3. Simplify this, 5 of 10 plus 9 3 is 27 equal to 5 into 37 is equal to 5 into 5 7 are 35, 5 3 are 15, 15 plus 3 18. Now this potatoes total distance asking mean it 2 times moving that side distance. So total distance is equal 2 times running. 2 times running mean 1 time is the 185, 2 times means 2 into 185. 2 into 185 is equal, you will get the 370 centimeters. So total distance covered is equal, covered is equal 370 centimeters. Thank you.